Hello, I'm here to teach you on how to use Windows Security Control Center to find your browser's autosave password. First, we need to download the program. Go to the website klsshop.com. Then, after you download the program, install it. Just click next. I agree the agreement. Next, then yes, next. Then it should prompt you to install. Then click finish. Then it should prompt you to install some files. Just click yes and just wait for it to install. The installation time depends on your net. After installing, click OK. Then, you should find something called password recovery. Then, find the IE password or the Chrome password. I choose the IE password. After you click it, you will be able to see your password. You can also use this to find the Safari password, Chrome password, or other passwords. Thanks for listening to my tutorial. Once again, thank you and